microfoods. Unlocking the power of nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, those tiny powerhouses of nutrition, have been a staple in human diets for millennia. One often overlooked as mere snacks, they are packed with essential nutrients, offering a remarkable array of health benefits. From boosting heart health to enhancing brain function, these microfoods deserve a prominent place in our daily lives. A nutritional treasure trove. The nutritional profile of nuts and seeds is truly impressive. They are rich in healthy fats, primarily unsaturated fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health and reducing inflammation. 3-omega-3 fatty acids, found in flax seeds and walnuts, are particularly beneficial. 4. Protein. A significant source of plant-based protein, vital for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining overall bodily functions. Fiber. Both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and contributing to feelings of fullness. 5. Vitamins. A wide range of vitamins, including vitamin E, a potent antioxidant. B vitamins, essential for energy production. And folate, crucial for cell growth and development. 6. Minerals. Abundant in minerals like magnesium, potassium, zinc, iron, and calcium, each playing a vital role in various physiological processes. 7. Antioxidants. Powerful compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 8. Phytochemicals. Plant compounds with diverse health-promoting properties, including anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. 9. Unlocking the health benefits. The unique combination of nutrients in nuts and seeds translates into a multitude of health benefits. Heart health. The healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E in nuts and seeds contribute to lowering LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and raising HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly from walnuts and flax seeds, help reduce triglycerides and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. 10. Magnesium and potassium support healthy blood pressure regulation. Weight management. Despite their calorie density, nuts and seeds can aid in weight management due to their high fiber and protein content, which promote satiety and reduce cravings. 11. Studies suggest that regular consumption of nuts is associated with a lower risk of weight gain. 12. Brain function. Vitamin E and antioxidants protect brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. 13. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and may improve memory and cognitive function. 14. Blood sugar control. The fiber and healthy fats in nuts and seeds help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a beneficial addition to the diets of individuals with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. Magnesium plays a role in insulin sensitivity. 15. Digestive health. The high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome. 16. Reduced inflammation. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in nuts and seeds help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various diseases. 17. Cancer prevention. Some studies indicate that certain nuts and seeds, like flax seeds and walnuts, may have anti-cancer properties due to their phytochemical content. 18. A guide to popular nuts and seeds. Almonds. Rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. 19. Walnuts. Excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. 20. Chia seeds. High in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. 21. Flax seeds. abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. 22. Sunflower seeds. A good source of vitamin E, selenium, and magnesium. 23. Pumpkin seeds. Rich in magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. 24. Cashews. Provide iron, zinc, and magnesium. Brazil nuts. The richest source of selenium. 25. Pistachios. Contain fiber, vitamin B6, and antioxidants. 26. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds between meals. Add them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Sprinkle them on top of soups or stir fries. Blend them into. Add chia or flax seeds to baked goods. Use them to make homemade granola. Important considerations. Portion control is essential due to the calorie density of nuts and seeds. 27. Choose unsalted and unroasted varieties to minimize sodium and added oils. Individuals with nut allergies should exercise caution. Soaking some nuts and seeds can improve their digestibility. In conclusion, nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses that offer a wide array of health benefits. 28. By incorporating them into your daily diet, you can unlock their potential to improve heart health, boost brain function, and promote overall well-being. These small but mighty foods are a testament to the power of nature's bounty, providing us with essential nutrients in a convenient and delicious package.